Dr. Kowalski here with Kowalski Chiropractic, and we see a lot of patients that kind of suffer from headaches. There's a few different types of headaches that we can treat here in the office, so I'm just going to kind of walk you through those here. The first kind of main one we see is cervicogenic headaches. That's where the headache's coming from the neck. So there's 7 different bones in the neck that we kind of evaluate. We want to make sure they're lined up and moving good, and that will help relieve any tension or any nerves that are getting irritated in that area that could be kind of referring pain up into the head. So we'll check here. There's a couple little tight spots. We'll kind of show you just what a gentle adjustment on the neck looks like here. So we actually like one on this side. Just kind of find that restricted spot. Just give a quick little adjustment there. And one more on this side here. Good. So when we free that joint up, get all that tension out of there, that is one way we can help reduce headaches. I'll show you a few other ways here. Another type of headache we see a lot is a cluster headache. It's where you kind of have that headache kind of behind one eye or just kind of on one side of the face. So a lot of times this will be coming from the jaw or just a lot of tension in the muscles in the head here. So we want to evaluate the jaw first. We'll have her kind of open and close the jaw. And if we feel kind of just a really tight muscle or just some clicking or grinding, one thing we'll do is just kind of clear that out of there. So we'll have her kind of open and close her jaw 4 or 5 times, just kind of stretching those muscles out and kind of getting rid of that tension there. And then we'll kind of check the jaw, the TMJ joints on each side here. And if one is just a little restricted, simple way to adjust that is we'll take our activator tool here, just have her relax the jaw, and then we'll just kind of just give a couple little adjustments to the restricted side, and that'll kind of loosen that jaw up. And then another spot we want to check is the muscles also attach from the jaw up into the head here. So we'll kind of just tension this down, have her open and close the jaw a few more times. We want to just make sure all that tension's out of here. And that'll kind of just relieve all that tension in the jaw and head, and that a lot of times will help reduce the cluster headache right there. All right, another type of headache we see a lot of is a tension headache. A lot of this is caused from just tension from the muscles that attach right to the base of the head here. They run down a lot of times and attach to the shoulder blades. So if you have a lot of shoulder tension or just even the muscles in the neck, if they're really tight, that can cause a tension headache. Those usually come on later in the day. But so yeah, step one, what we want to do, like I said earlier, is just get all the joints loosened up. Then we want to relieve the tension and all those muscles in the neck here. So one way we do this in our office, we have this cold laser therapy, and we'll just kind of run it over those tight spots. And this is really good at just kind of helping calm the inflammation down in this area, help the nerves and muscles just relax, get the tension out of there. And this is also good if you have like a sports injury too. But we use it sometimes for our tension headache patients. Do like maybe 5-10 minutes of this. Just feels kind of like a gentle warm heat, feels really nice, loosens all that up, and can help relieve your tension headaches. And another thing we can do when it comes to tension headaches is we have dry needling or acupuncture. There's a few spots kind of on the base of the head, down into the shoulders, and that's one way we can help relieve the tension headaches as well. Spot we want to check when it comes to headaches is even the mid back here. A lot of times if this is locked up and restricted, it'll put more stress and tension on the muscles in the neck. So especially if you're kind of at a desk job or sitting a lot at the computer, we want to make sure this area of the back is really locked up or is unlocked and moving well, and that'll help take tension off the muscles in the neck, and that can help prevent some of those headaches as well. So there's one spot a little locked up here. I'll show you what a gentle adjustment in this area looks like. We'll just have her take a deep breath in and out. Good. That'll kind of free up that mid back, help take the stress off the neck and shoulders, and that'll help prevent headaches in the future there.